Hi there. In this video, we'll walk through how to use Dell's new Digital Virtual Assistant on the streamlined Dell support page. Dell's new Digital Assistant is designed to make technical support faster and more convenient. It helps you troubleshoot issues, confirm device details, and guide you through available support options. One of its more powerful features is self-service and auto-dispatch, which allows you to book your own replacement parts without waiting for an agent. You can schedule an on-site engineer or arrange a courier delivery for eligible components. This feature is currently only available for PowerEdge systems. You can access the virtual assistant directly at dell.com. For the best experience, make sure you're signed in to your Dell account using the Sign In option at the top of the page. Being logged in helps the assistant recognize your company details and registered device service tags. Navigate to the Support drop-down menu and select Contact Technical Support. Enter the service tag of the affected device and click Submit. Verify the product matches your service tag and click Next. From the drop-down menu, select your issue. For this example, we'll choose a memory module issue and click on Next. Available support options will vary by product and location. For server and storage devices, you should see the Virtual Assist option. Click Get Started, then Start to begin. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll be prompted to do so now. Once logged in, the Virtual Assistant will confirm your product service tag, system type, and contact details linked to your account. Next, it will check if the issue is causing serious downtime. If so, it will guide you to speak directly with a Dell support agent. Otherwise, you can explore self-service and auto-dispatch options. These allow you to arrange an engineer visit or courier delivery for replacement parts. Again, currently this feature is only available for PowerEdge systems. The Virtual Assistant can also use the automated log analysis to read your Support Assist collection for detected errors. If you don't have an up-to-date Support Assist collection, you'll be guided on how to generate one. Once downloaded, upload your Support Assist log in the pop-up window and allow a few minutes for analysis. Depending on the detected error, you may be asked additional troubleshooting questions. In this example, the Virtual Assistant confirmed based on the logs and your answers that there's an issue with an installed memory module. You can now book a replacement part, either via an on-site engineer or courier delivery. Options will vary depending on the part required. Select the service you require, provide contact details, and include any special instructions. Confirm your address and choose Next Business Day Service if available. This option may not be offered for bookings made after 5 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation screen with your service request number. This can be used to refer back to your case later if needed. Once the booking is complete, you can end your Virtual Assistant session. Your order will be processed and confirmation will be sent to the email address registered to your account. And that's it. You've successfully used Dell's Digital Virtual Assistant to resolve your issue quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.